इस वीडियो में हम Zoom की मदद से ऑनलाइन क्लास लेना सीखेंगे। In this video, we will guide you through downloading and installing Zoom, setting up and managing a Zoom account, scheduling and conducting classes, and utilizing various interactive features available in Zoom. Let's get started. आइए सबसे पहले हम Zoom को लैपटॉप और मोबाइल फ़ोन में डाउनलोड और इंस्टॉल करना सीखते हैं। These steps according to your device type. For Windows PCs, open your web browser and go to the Zoom download page at zoom.us/download. 2. Click the download button under the Zoom Client for Meetings section. 3. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file named Zoom Installer Full.exe to run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. 5. After installation, Zoom will launch automatically. If it doesn't, you can open it from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. For Android smartphones, 1. On your Android device, open the Google Play Store. 2. In the search bar, type Zoom and press Search. 3. Find Zoom Cloud Meetings in the search results and tap Install to download and install the app. 4. Once installed, open the Zoom app from your app drawer or home screen. For iOS, iPhone/iPad. 1. On your iPhone or iPad, open the App Store. 2. In the search bar, type Zoom and press Search. 3. Find Zoom Cloud Meetings in the search results and tap the Get button to download and install the app. 4. Once installed, open the Zoom app from your home screen. अब हम Zoom अकाउंट बनाना और उसमें लॉगिन करना सीखेंगे। 1. Launch the Zoom application on your device. 2. If you already have a Zoom account, click Sign in and enter your email and password. 3. If you do not have an account, click Sign up to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign up. 4. You can also sign up from the website by going to zoom.us and clicking Sign Up 3. Creating a Zoom account. 1. Enter your email address and click Sign Up. 2. Check your email for a confirmation message from Zoom and click Activate Account. 3. Enter your first name, last name, and create a password. Then click Continue. 4. You can invite colleagues or skip this step. 5. Zoom will suggest starting a test meeting to familiarize yourself with the platform. You can do this or proceed to your account settings. Now, let's schedule and manage your Zoom classes. Zoom एप्लीकेशन खोलें और उसमें साइन इन करें। Zoom होम स्क्रीन पे मौजूद Schedule का बटन दबाएं। Click the Schedule button on the Zoom home screen. Enter the details for your class such as the event name, start and end time, and time zone. Event name, for example, Math class, grade 3. Start and end time, select the date and time your class will start and end. Time zone, ensure the correct time zone is selected. If this is a recurring class, select the applicable option. Under other options, you can add a description of the class, set a meeting passcode, and enable the waiting room to control who can join your class. Click Save to schedule the meeting. If you have listed participants' email addresses, invitations will be sent automatically. To send invitations manually, click on the 3 dots next to the meeting title, select Copy Invitation, and send the link via email or messaging apps like WhatsApp. Starting a Zoom class. 1. Go to the Meetings tab and find your scheduled class. 2. Click Start to begin the meeting. 3. Choose Join with Computer Audio. Now, let's explore some basic Zoom functionalities that you'll use during your classes. 1. To mute or unmute yourself, click the mute button at the bottom left corner. You can also use Alt plus A, Windows, or Command plus Shift plus A, Mac, as a shortcut. 2. To turn your video on or off, click the Stop Video button next to the mute button. You can also use Alt plus V, Windows, or Command plus Shift plus V, Mac. 3. To manage participants, click the Participants button. From here, you can mute/unmute participants, remove them, or assign co-host roles. Click the microphone icon next to a participant's name to mute or unmute them. Hover over a participant's name, click More, and select Remove to remove them from the meeting. Click More, select Make Co-host to assign them as a co-host. 4. To share your screen, click the Share Screen button at the bottom of the window. Select the window or application you want to share and click Share. 5. To record your class, click the More button and select Record on this computer. Use the pause and stop buttons to control the recording. Ending the class. 1. To end the meeting, click the End Meeting button at the bottom right of the Zoom window. 2. You can save the chat by clicking More in the chat window and selecting Save Chat. Zoom offers several interactive features to make your online classes engaging and effective. 1. Chat function. The chat function allows participants to communicate via text without interrupting the class. Messages can be sent to everyone or privately to specific individuals. Breakout rooms. Breakout rooms enable you to split the class into smaller groups for discussions or activities. You can move between rooms to check on progress. Polling. Polling allows you to create multiple choice questions for students to answer during the class. This can be used for quizzes or gathering feedback. Reactions. Reactions provide non-verbal feedback using emojis like thumbs up, clapping, or raising a hand. These appear on the participant's video feed and help maintain engagement. Congratulations! इस वीडियो में हमने Zoom को डाउनलोड और इंस्टॉल करना, नया अकाउंट बनाना और लॉग इन करना और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेना सीखा है. We also learned to use various Zoom functionalities